Did you know that the average American consumes over 50 pounds of additives in their food every year? That's right, 50 pounds. These additives are not just minor ingredients, they play a significant role in the food we eat daily. These hidden ingredients, often disguised under complex names, lurk in our everyday meals, from breakfast cereals to salad dressings. They are in almost everything we consume, making it difficult to avoid them. We think we're making healthy choices, but the truth is far more alarming. Even foods marketed as healthy can be loaded with these hidden additives. Our food system has become a minefield of secret ingredients. These additives are often used to cut costs and increase shelf life, but at what cost to our health? These additives, designed to enhance flavor, prolong shelf life, and boost profits, often come at the expense of our health. They can lead to various health issues, including allergies, digestive problems, and even long-term diseases. The scary part? Most of us are completely unaware of what we're putting into our bodies. We trust the food industry to keep us safe, but that trust may be misplaced. It's time to lift the veil on these hidden ingredients and understand their true impact on our well-being. By becoming more informed, we can make better choices for ourselves and our families. We deserve transparency, and we have the right to know what's in our food. It's not just about avoiding certain ingredients, it's about making informed decisions. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the shocking truth about America's secret food ingredients. Together we can push for a food system that prioritizes our health over profits. Let's talk about the main culprits: additives and artificial ingredients. These are the hidden elements in our food that we often overlook. These sneaky substances are added to our food for various reasons, but rarely for our benefit. They are used to enhance flavor, appearance, and shelf life, but at what cost? Additives like artificial colors make food look more appealing, often making them irresistible to children and adults alike. While preservatives extend shelf life, often at the cost of nutritional value, they can also introduce chemicals that our bodies struggle to process. Artificial sweeteners promise guilt-free sweetness but come with potential health risks, including metabolic changes and increased cravings for sweets. Then there are flavor enhancers, designed to trick our taste buds into craving more, leading to overeating and addiction to processed foods. These ingredients are often derived from chemical processes and bear little resemblance to real food, making it hard for our bodies to recognize and process them. The problem is, these artificial additions often come with a hidden price tag: our health. They can cause discomfort and long-term health issues. Studies have linked certain food additives to various health issues, from allergies and digestive problems to more serious conditions like cancer and heart disease. We need to be aware of these risks and make informed choices about the food we consume. Opting for fresh, whole foods can help us avoid these harmful additives and lead to a healthier lifestyle. The consequences of consuming these hidden ingredients are far-reaching. Our bodies are bombarded with chemicals they weren't designed to process. This can lead to a range of health problems, some immediate and others developing over time. We're seeing a rise in food allergies and sensitivities, often linked to artificial colors and preservatives. Digestive issues, inflammation, and weakened immune systems are also on the rise. The long-term effects of these additives are still being studied, but the early evidence is concerning. Let's get specific. Remember pink slime, the ammonia-treated beef filler used in ground meat? It's been a controversial topic for years. Or how about yellow number 5, a food dye linked to hyperactivity in children? This dye is found in many popular snacks. These are just 2 examples of the shocking ingredients lurking in our food supply, but there are many more hidden dangers. Take a look at your yogurt container. You might be surprised by what you find. That strawberry flavor might not come from real strawberries, but from a cocktail of artificial flavors and colors. It's all about creating an illusion of freshness. And that healthy granola bar, it might not be as healthy as you think. It could be loaded with high fructose corn syrup and trans fats, disguised under harmless sounding names. Always read the labels carefully. Stay safe and stay tuned, my friend.